All right, today was the wrong day to size up. The first trade that I took, we took a loss, and it was a big loss. So it kind of made me a little bit frustrated, and I walked away. So I'm gonna go over it. If you lost today, I'm not gonna blame you. The price action was not the prettiest. Like we were not getting anything good today. And I went straight on gold. I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna size up, I'm gonna go to gold. NQ would have given you some decent price action. Yeah, and Q would have given you a good price action on this level. Close above it, came below it, but it would have given you the entry after 11 and then going up. So let's go on the gold trades so we can break it down. So you can see I already have this level here. Why did I mark this level? Oh, I know why. Let me just do a start a new one. Let me go here. I'm gonna go to the hourly. So when we came to let me turn on the volume. So every time I wake up in the morning, if I see the price action, that's like going up, if I see this, I'm going for longs. And I'm like, okay, the overall direction is longs. And I look at the volume. If the most recent volumes are also cracking up, then I'm gonna go long. So I had this daily level. I had this daily level indication here. Daily levels are here. So let me show it to you. There we go. So I had this daily level and I had this daily level. I was like, if the price come to here or here, I'm gonna get in. And then when I went to hourly, I had a markup for here and I had a markup here. I was like, if we come down and we sweep these two areas, so this was gonna be a regular POI and this was going to be a liquidity sweep or aka turtle soup. Let me see what's that. Oh, never mind. And that's what we kind of got. So select this. Okay, let's go here. So this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing the price creating a area with a strong liquidity. So when you see candle closure like this on the 1 minute, the price always comes and grab it, kind of like a turtle soup. There's a more cleaner version of a turtle soup in the second try I'll show you guys. It's a very clean indication that we're gonna go sweep this before we're gonna go high. So I had my charts. I was like, and this was perfect. This is A plus setup because we came in, we closed through this area, we grabbed this liquidity, we hit the daily level, and we hit our POI. I was like, perfect. We took 3 different liquidity. What can go wrong? So I came on gold. I risked about 2 contract. I got in here. I put my as soon as we closed above these candle, we closed above it. I got in right away. So we were doing good for like first 2-3 minutes. But I feel like the mistake I made on this one, I got in before the I got in around 8:42. So when you trade the pre-market or actually any time of the day, it's always good to trade around 15 minutes before the hour is ended and 15 minutes at the beginning of the hourly. Those are the ICT, we call them like a macro time. Those are like the most amount of volume that usually market um, market takes the volume in, especially after the 45 minutes mark. And this is like a a very old rule I had in the back of my mind, but today, this morning, I didn't really follow it. I was like, we have every confluence. I'm gonna get in. Knowing and thinking in the back of my mind, we are not on the last 15 minutes of the hourly. But I'm like, I'll be fine. I mean, it's not gonna come all the way down. Grab more liquidity. Like, we already grab all this liquidity, all this liquidity. No way the price can come down and grab it. And I'm sizing up. Like, it's a big jump. That's bad. Yeah, I size up here. 64 ticks, which is on 2 contract. It's around, what is 64 times 20? Yes, that was about 1200. I'm risking like 1200. I'm just trying to pass. It's a new account. It's one of the account that I have. I'm just trying to document this so I can get a pass. I can show everybody what's possible, what's not. So that's what I have in the back of my mind. And that's another thing. Never trade your profit and loss. Always trade your system. So every single time I FOMO in, every single time I don't follow the process, instead of trading purely the market structure versus trading your profit and loss, I get humble instantly. So this is what happened. Price came in, bam. Look at that. 8:45 opened. The new 15 minutes opened, and then we immediately just priced down. It did not even give me an opportunity. There was a telltale sign. So if you're in a trade and we already grab all the liquidity, if a price creates a inverse Forex value gap aggressively, that's your telltale sign to get out of that trade. But I didn't. I was like, what if it just does this or does this? What ifs is not gonna help you. So when you're in drawdown, you should be fearful, and when you're in profit, you should be helpful. But we always do it the other way around. When we are in a drawdown, we're hopeful, and when we are in a profit, we are fearful. And there it is. It was just the one last quick, and guess what? The price went straight to our take profit. Oh, I was furious. I was furious when that happened. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna go to work before I blow this account, and that's what I did. Went to work, didn't really care or pay attention to it, and I believe a couple hours later we did get the opportunity for it. Let me go to the 1 minute, see if I can find it. Oh yeah, it was this one. Was it this one? Let's see, where's my trade? Not quite. Oh yeah, it was right here. It was right here. I was telling you that I saw a turtle soup setup. This is what I was talking about. 15 minutes. Oh yeah, this is what I was talking about. So this is what I'm seeing. Actually, it goes back. So this is what I'm seeing. I have a target in here. So I came back on the chart right around here. I was like, okay, we had our indication, we had our correction. Now this is the continuation. And this was another trade I feel like I missed out on. This one would have been a good one. Boom. Now I missed this one. And I'm seeing the prices chopping around on the 15 minute. If you're not hitting that thing, that final liquidity area, I was like, when you're this close, there's a really good opportunity for you to just get in and then it's gonna it's gonna hit it. It's not gonna leave it alone. Especially with this crazy price action recently. So around here, I was like, I'm gonna get in if I see exactly what I want to see, which is some sort of like turtle soup slash liquidity sweep. So I put my marker here. I think I did it on this one. Yeah, I put it here. I set my alert, and I just wait for it. And then I also saw this swing. I was like, oh, that's a good one too. And I put another one here. I was like, if you come down, sweep this area, sweep this liquidity, we're gonna go hit that. I had such a conviction because I've seen this set up so many times. If you're familiar with the concept called AMD, it's very similar to. It's like accumulation, it's like manipulation, and then distribution. If it's the other way around, it's the same. It's the same thing. So I'm just patiently waiting. I'm like, yeah, nah, we're not gonna hit it. And then I hit my alert got hit. My alert got hit. The price got hit here. And then this is what I love to see. When you see this aggressive manipulation or dump towards your liquidity, towards the 15 minutes low, 15 minutes wick low, and we do it one fell sweep and then one fell sweep back up again. As soon as I saw this, I got in. And I sized up with about two regular contract. Put my stop loss here, put my take profit there, 2 contract. I took one of my contract off here. So I was like, I don't want to get edged extremely hard. I was like, this is a low hanging fruit. We're definitely gonna hit that for sure. So I took one contract off here, took the second one over there. And this one, it was just beautiful. It just went straight to take profit. And this was the same setup as I took in the morning. You see how similar they are? They're almost identical, like near identical. That's why I always say the price, like before here, imagine you don't see any of this. You see this. What do you see? Price came and swept this liquidity and start. Of course, it did like a double sweep, which if you know about the timing of the market, you won't fall for it like I did. But here's the issue. Sometimes in the last quarter of the hour, the last 15 minutes, it doesn't come sweep it again. Usually it does a pre-market, and in this case, of course, it did. It just sweeps it and it goes up. But there's one way you can tell when the price action is a little bit choppy. It's creating all these like equal lows down here. These two almost equal. These two almost equal. And you still haven't hit this last 15 minutes of the hour. You, in the back of my mind, I knew there was gonna be one last sweep before we go hit it. And usually they are very powerful and very quick. It's just one nice sweep, one nice recovery back to the up. And it always does the same thing. Same here. Accumulation. Oh, we're going up. Oh, we are going up. Oh, we're going up. Just people are just retail traders. They're all getting their longs in here and then putting their take profit here, and all of them are putting their stop loss around here. Because what the price is gonna do, the institutional algorithm does, just come one fell sweep, takes everybody's liquidity and stop losses, comes back to this most recent swing because they know people have orders here. They know that people have their stop loss at the most recent 15 minutes or hourly lows because they want to catch like a quick one-to-one. Comes and takes out everybody's liquidity, and then one fell sweep is just a V-shape, one big giant red candle and a one big giant green candle. That's how you know it's the liquidity grab. I got in right away. It was just, I've seen this setup plays out like hundreds of times. Every time I see this, I just salivate. It's just a classic accumulation, manipulation, distribution, which you don't want to get into it too much. Don't Google it, don't YouTube it, just because ICT traders make it extremely complicated. But And here's the thing: all these setups like liquidity sweep, turtle soup, uh, CCT, ICT, ICC, all of these are concepts. You have to like come up with your own risk management, with your own strategy that works for you. I try to make it as simple as possible for myself, documenting this journey. So hopefully it's helpful for you. Yeah, hopefully that trade recap was helpful. So yeah, once we win this trade, the account was down near like 600 before 600 close to being blown, and then after this I'm only down like $200. So for the day I was up for about 225. Yeah. So last thing, if you want to join the community. We have a lot of members joining, a lot of good discussion that's going on in the group. And if you've been watching and you still have some questions, I have something for you that you might be thinking, and I got a lot of question about it too. So I'm gonna do a quick breakdown. You might tell yourself, "Hey, I understand the strategy, but I can't seem to stay either consistent or I cannot mark up my chart." Like for me, marking up this chart comes very easily and it's kind of intuitive. But what I realize is for most people, it doesn't come easy to them. It doesn't come intuitively. I wish I would just copy my brain and give it to you, but I can't. And people just ask me, is like, hey, how do you mark your chart? Where do I mark my charts? Where do I know that the liquidity is going to get swept? It's easy to watch your video but on the live market, I can't do it. I can't replicate it. And because of that, I figured maybe why not I just open a small group of people that I can work through like the mental game, the risk management, the marking up the chart, and just getting funded together, you know. And honestly, I dislike the most of the programs that are out there. They just dump content and they just disappear. There's nobody's actually helping you. And this is why I'm gonna keep this extremely tiny to get an actual one-on-one attention to the people who need it. So the link to the private waitlist is below. It's in the description or comment or on the top comment, or if you join the community, it's in the community as well. Join the waitlist. We're gonna see if it's something that's helpful for you. I'm gonna help you out one-on-one. It's kind of like a accountability thing. So it's just me and you going over your chart, going over your trades. You send me the screenshot of all your trades, and it's kind of like somebody holding you accountable, so you don't just blow your account and waste your money, so on and so forth. If you see value in that, let me know. Join the waitlist, and other than that, that's it for today. Peace and love. See you guys tomorrow.